One of the best ways to level up your electronic projects is having a good and reliable soldering station. And in this video, we are going to be taking a look at the KOTTO KT68P, a budget soldering station that is packed full of features, has a pretty solid build quality, and we are going to see how this compares to some of the other soldering stations on the market. Coming up. What's up, Danni FPV here, bringing you the best tips and tools for building your electronics projects. And I'm excited to be looking at the KOTTO KT68P, which today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and review on it. I have my hands on this soldering station for a while now, and I've been able to use it in a couple different situations, and I've been holding up super great and producing some really good results. So let's break down all the features, the price, and everything that you need to know. So the retail price of this soldering station is right around $49.99. Of course, you can always find coupons and sales, but hovers around $49.99 on Amazon. Remember, that's the price at the time that I'm recording this video. So the question is, what are you going to get inside this box for $49.99? Let's see. Let's open it. See, what you get first is the manual. I really recommend to take a look at this just to have a better understanding of all the features this station comes with. Very nice, but this is the manual. First thing you see. You get the soldering iron. It's actually the handle. Comes with. Very sturdy construction. Comfortable, lightweight. I like the way it looks like. And it also comes with different type of soldering tips. Maybe you can get it there. I found this pretty cool because at least myself, I change tips depending on what type of size of soldering I want to work on it. So we cover on that one. Then you get an iron holder. It's pretty cool. Look at it. And a power cable. Yep, there's a power cable so you can plug your station into the wall. Now you get the soldering station. Guys, you have to take a look at this. This is a super nice futuristic design with an OLED digital temperature display. Very self-explanatory. Control buttons, power switch. This one is a toggle in between Celsius and Fahrenheit temperature up and down. Temperature memories. Yes, you can save up to 3 different temperatures, so you can jump from one to the other with just a press of a button. Well, right now you have a better visualization of what exactly comes inside the box. Now you have a soldering iron, soldering station, an iron holder, power cable, and additional soldering tips. You know, when you're paying around $49 for a soldering station, you miss out on some of the features that you get in a more expensive station. But in this one, the KOTTO KT68P, that is not the case. This device has all the features and more. I personally own a very recognized brand in the market when it comes to soldering stations, and the first thing that I like to compare them, it is how simple it is the interface in this machine, how you control it, the user experience. This is very important for me because when it comes to soldering in whatever project you have, you don't want to waste time, and believe me, those brands have a very complicated controls just to change the temperature on it, and for me, that's a big deal. The next feature I like to point, it is something that you probably are gonna say, what? But yes, it is very important and most recognized station, they didn't come with it, but it's the mainline fuse. Yes. I read many reviews about people using their stations and all of a sudden the machine went ground, burning the transformer and not working anymore. With this unit, you don't have that problem. If the fuse pops, unscrew here, pull out the fuse, replace it, and boom, you're back in business. Okay, now I'd like to show you how to use it, and at the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my final thoughts, but I want to pass the question off to you. What soldering station do you use for your projects right now? Let me know in the comment section below, and if you have been getting value out of this video, smash the like button for the algorithm. Okay, now that it's connected, I'd like to show you how to use it. Super simple. You will see right here on the front, I have four main control buttons. And right here, you have a power on and off switch. You just turn it on, and you will see this says off. The reason why it says off because the power on off switch is actually this one. Before I turn it on, I would like to explain to you what are you going to see on the display panel here. And what you're going to see for the first 2 seconds is actually the temperature that is set up on that memory. And then you will see the machine going from what the temperature that actually the tip have to the temperature set it up. So let's see how that happened. You just turn one, push one, short press, 559, first to second. The actual tip is on 307, raising up the temperature until reach the temperature that is set up. All right, now you see that it's reached the setup temperature level. And now I want to explain to you that that same button have two functionalities. That same button, if you do a short press, it's just going to turn it on and off. One short press off, one short press on. 559 is the temperature. Boom, there you go. Now, if you do a long press on the same button, you change in between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Well, you see right here, Celsius. If you want to change it back to Fahrenheit, there you go. Okay, second button right here, memory. You have up to 3 memories to save. You can save 3 temperatures and have it safe. If you want to toggle in between them, you just need to do a short press on it. Temperature number 2. The first 2 seconds, you see the temperature that have that memory set it up, and then you will see the machine raising up that temperature until reach that temperature. The temperature set it up. You see? 650. In a couple seconds, you are ready to, with your new temperature, ready to keep soldering. Number 3, 760. Now you'll see from 665 going to the temperature set it up on that one. All right, 760. That's the 3 memories that we have saved on it. Okay, now this 2, very self-explanatory. If you want to go up on your temperature, just push. If you want to go down, just go down. If you long press it, raise it up pretty fast. If you long press down, it lowers very fast. Very simple. Now that you notice that the 3 have like a little like a square on top of it. It turns white, and the reason why is because you are not on the temperature set it up on that specific memory. If you want to save that specific memory, let's say that you say, I don't know, I want to save it to 750. Then you hold the memory button, long press. You see how that disappears? The reason why it disappears is because now you have a memory number 3, 750. Now if you toggle in between 1, 559, 2, 650, 3, 750. And that's it. This is all. This is how this interface it is. Super simple, super nice. I love this machine. Okay, now I want to give it a little try. Soldering something. I have a practice board right here. This is a board just for practice, and first we are gonna thin a little bit the pad this way. There you go. Now I'd like to solder this cable right here. The cable is already thin on the tip. I already did the tin on the pad. Just like to touch it. And put it together. And there you go. That's a perfect solder right there. Pretty good. Let's try to zoom in it. There you go. I really think you can go wrong here. KOTTO is very competitive and these products are well designed and I think will be more than sufficient for the average electronic hobbyist or even professionals to use and get great results with. I think the most impressive thing is how competitive the price is. Right now, this soldering station is becoming my favorite and the reason why I love it so much it is first, price. Second, efficiency. Nobody wants to spend time at the workbench. With this machine, you turn it on and in seconds you're ready to solder and that's exactly what we are looking for. KOTTO KT68P. Check the link on the description for more detailed information. Thanks again for checking out this video. Smash the like button if you got value and I will see you on the next one.